Poco M4 Pro. The best budget phone 2022. First AMOLED display in the M range. Poco phones traditionally give you a high degree of all-round multimedia competence for a budget price, and the Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro is no different. Despite what the name might suggest, the Poco M4 Pro is much more than just a Poco M4 Pro 5G with the next-gen network connectivity lopped off. It's a surprisingly different package, from its design to its display, and from its camera to its CPU. Let's not mince words here, the Poco M4 Pro is flat out the superior phone to its 5G brother and should be the preferred pick for anyone willing to forego the very fastest network speeds. Design and build. 8.1mm. 179.5G. No IP rating. Like the Poco M4 Pro 5G, the Poco M4 Pro does a pretty good impression of a flagship phone. Catch a quick glance of the phone lying face down on a table, and you might just be convinced into thinking that it's worth 3 times its asking price. Screen. A switch to AMOLED. 6.4 inches 90 Hz. Impressive color and brightness. The display used on the Poco M4 Pro is completely different to the 5G model. It's slightly smaller at 6.4 inches versus 6.6 inches, but it's by no means small, and it packs the same 2400 by 1800 Full HD Plus resolution. Specs and performance. Mediatek Helio G96. 6/8 GB RAM. 128/256 GB storage. While the Poco M4 Pro 5G runs on the Mediatek Dimensity 810, the Poco M4 Pro runs on the Mediatek Helio G96. This latter chip is built using an older and less efficient 12nm process versus 6nm, and it's the same processor that runs the Redmi Note 11S and the Realme 8i. Cameras. 64MP main camera. 8MP ultra-wide. 2MP macro. 16MP selfie camera. The Poco M4 Pro features a triple camera system led by a 64MP sensor, which is the first of its type to make an appearance in the M series. The 5G model, for the record, utilizes a 50MP sensor. Battery life and charging. 5000 mAh. 33W fast charging. Adapter included. The Poco M4 Pro is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. That's nice and large, but also pretty typical of phones in this pricing category. As with other budget contenders, it's good for a full day of heavy usage and potentially a full 2 days of light to moderate usage. Software and apps. Android 11. MIUI 13. The Poco M4 Pro runs on MIUI 13 layered on top of Android 11. It's still not the most appealing Android skin, with its gauche icons and the full-page notification that pops up every time you install an app. Price and availability. The Poco M4 Pro is available now at a starting price of £189 for 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The 8GB per 256GB model is being offered for £249. 6/128GB, £189/€219. 8/256GB, £249/€269. This puts the Poco M4 Pro in roughly the same pricing category as the Poco M4 Pro 5G. Remember, though, that you get more storage and RAM for your money. Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro specs. Android 11. 6.43 inches, FHD+, AMOLED, 90 Hz, flat display. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Mediatek Helio G96. 6GB per 8GB LPDDR4 RAM. 128GB per 256GB storage. 64MP f/1.8 main camera. 8MP ultra-wide camera. 2MP macro camera. Up to 1080p at 30 frames per second rear video. 16MP front-facing camera. Stereo speakers. Dual SIM. Wi-Fi 802.11/b/g/n/AC. Bluetooth 5.0. 5000 mAh battery. 33W charging. 159.87 by 73.87 by 8.09 m. 179.5G. Launch colors: Graphite Gray, Pearl White, Twilight Blue.